How to verify CashApp to send Bitcoin. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify CashApp to send Bitcoins. So for that, CashApp requires you to provide some personal information to verify your account. This ensures that your account is secure and that you are who you say you are. And here is how you can verify your CashApp account to send Bitcoins. So just open your CashApp on your mobile phone and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. And after that, just scroll down and tap on Bitcoin. And from there, just tap on verify identity and then enter your full name, date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number, and just go ahead and review all the details and confirm the information that you have provided, and then just wait for the CashApp to verify your identity. That usually takes a few minutes, but it can also take up to around 24 hours, so you just have to wait. And once your account is verified, you will be able to verify your CashApp account to send Bitcoins. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.